To understand the next type of split, let me create a draft again. So I will be selecting this face and this face, and I will not be selecting the other faces because I have tangency between them. And as I mentioned you earlier, that this option is highlighted and it is activated right now, which means all the other surfaces will be joined into the main draft automatically because this option is selected by default and they have a tangency between them, so they will be selected automatically. So nothing to worry about. I'll just assign the draft hinge to be the top surface, and you can see that the whole or all the surfaces are into the main draft. I will assign some value for the draft angle. Now let me go to the split. In the earlier video we have seen split by draft hinge. In this video we will be looking at the second type of split, which is split by split object. So when I'm selecting this object or this option, I have to define a sketch. So for that I have to go to define option over here and select the plane or the surface and click on sketch. Then we can go to the sketch view. So we have the 2D section again, and just remember a point over here, no matter what option we are using, we will always be in contact or in a kind of relationship between a 2D sketching, because every option we are working on will be having some or the other kind of relation with the 2D sketching. So mind you, please practice a lot and just see that you are well versed with most of the options in 2D, especially the sketching options. And these are very similar and very easy to understand, so nothing to worry about. So I'm taking a line command and I'll just draw a line randomly. I'm just drawing an inclined line and I'm just discontinuing the line at any region. I have to ensure that the width of the line should be the width of the box or the object, or it can be more than that, but I believe it shouldn't be less than that. Now I'll just simply press OK, and you may observe that I got a draft along the line what I've created, and we can try to alter the draft angles individually as well. So this is another kind of feature in the split command, which is splitting or dividing the total draft into two parts or two objects with respect to the sketch what we have created. So again, there are certain options which are quite similar to the earlier options what we have discussed, and this is independently first side and second side. So let me go to the first side. Only the first side varies right now, that is the top surface. It can be added, or if we want to select the second side only, we can vary the second side. The first side will be non-drafted, and the other option is to draft sides independently, wherein we can alter the dimensions or the angles individually. So this is about the split command. Let us move to the next video.